What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Ajay Panchal here, bringing you a Facebook ad series for real estate agents. This is not just a normal series, guys. If you're watching this and you're a real estate agent, I have a secret sauce, that a Facebook ad that's worked. I've run plays year over year, and this has generated leads and converted and translated into GCI video, we talked a lot about building a Facebook page, a professional business page on your Facebook account. And this video, we're going to dive deeper into what the special ad categories are and what you should do to avoid getting banned or your ad restricted from Facebook. Okay, let's get right into it. The special ad category, I see agents making this mistake all the time, is housing. Okay, that's the special ad category that you need to select when setting up your Facebook ad, or Facebook will stop your ad, and I've seen some agents even get their whole ad account suspended. So when you're selecting the special ad category, it's gonna automatically default to you cannot select demographics like age or any other specific details for your target audience. However, that makes sure that from a compliance perspective that your ad is running smoothly and you're able to generate leads on a regular basis. You've gotten your Facebook page set up. You got your ad, now you're starting your ad. The special housing category is selected. Now what do? How do you get this ad in front of more and more people? Well, that's where you're going to use the radius targeting tool. Okay, the radius targeting tool in Facebook allows you to focus on a specific area, preferably in your farm. Okay, I've seen agents, they might set up ads from different locations, and the specific ad I'm going to teach you about, that's really in my course as well, it's going to be effective no matter where you run it. But remember to set up your ad in a location that's preferably your farm. Okay, that's kind of where you want to have your focus. You don't want to generate leads from a location that's 3 or 4 hours away. And if you start getting leads and you need to do showings, there's no one really to do that for you. What we've talked about in summary is super important when you're selecting your special ad category for your Facebook ad. You don't want to get your ad restricted. You don't want to get your Facebook ad account restricted because that's even worse. And you want to make sure you're following the Facebook rules so your ad is running efficiently and the algorithm, for what it's worth, is showing your ad to more and more people. Of course, you're going to need an ad spend behind that, which we'll talk about in subsequent videos. But here we are. It's very simple to run a Facebook ad to generate buyer and seller leads. But you need the right format, you need the right images, and you need the right setup. So look out for more videos about Facebook ads for real estate agents. This is part 2. I'm going to be doing a few more. There's going to be a link in the comments to my ebook, which will give you a step-by-step guide on how to actually set this up, what images to use. I give you all of that in the ebook, by the way. So get a copy of the ebook. It's going to be the quickest and fastest way for you to learn step by step what is involved in generating and setting up a successful Facebook ad. Once again, I set these ads up for my brokerage when I had it, and for my team and for myself and various people in the States and Canada. Okay, I've coaching through my Tom Ferry coaching. I've had clients in the US, various states, set this ad up and generate leads and are able to actually follow up and convert these leads as well. So it does work well in the US and Canada. And even if you're watching this video and you're in some other part of the world, it's the same concept. Okay, for these Facebook ads, the layout will be the same. The area, you swap in the area, you swap in the average price that you want to target for these ads, and you're good. Okay, so this is something I'm committed to, teaching you guys what's worked for me, and these ads can start generating you leads within 24 hours. Okay, and hook, by watching this video and watching subsequent videos, if you get a copy of my ebook, I'm actually giving free coaching to the first 10 agents that subscribe or get a copy of my ebook, so I can help guide you through that step. When you get your first lead, what do you do? How do you set up drip campaigns within your CRM? There's going to be a whole bunch of good stuff coming your way to set you up for success when you start generating leads from these ads. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, get a copy of your ebook, reach out to me on social media. I'm open, and look out for more videos on how to generate Facebook leads from your actual ads. And this is not something that you need to pay tons and tons of money for, guys. It's really cost effective. It might even cost you like $10 a day ad spend. And remember, for Facebook, you're actually only paying when there's a click and there's a lead that's coming through. Okay, so the cost per lead and all those ratios we're going to go through in the ebook. So grab a copy, subscribe to the channel, and look out for more videos. See ya.